The kit comes with 2 sets of our 6-piece kit, a squeegee, and transfer paper for pieces 1 and 2. You'll need a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol for cleaning the area prior to install. A heat gun or hairdryer is helpful if you need to get tough wrinkles out. Orient yourself with all pieces that the kit comes with. Piece 1 through 3 are for the center console, and 4 through 6 are for the dash. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. On a flat surface, apply transfer paper closest to the rounded edge on the vinyl. Stick the transfer paper down firmly. Align piece to the back of the center console, with the straight edge going underneath the armrest. Peel the backing paper from the vinyl. Slide the straight edge under the armrest until you feel it stop against it. Check alignment for both sides before squeegeeing the vinyl into place. Then, very carefully peel off the transfer paper. On the rear, start from the center with your thumb and roll it down until you get to the edges. If you have a bubble, slowly squeegee over it from different sides, working it out. If that doesn't work, or if you have wrinkles, peel the vinyl up carefully to the error, lightly heat with a heat gun or hairdryer if necessary, and squeegee back down. Use the hard side of your squeegee to tack underneath the armrest and in the edges. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. On a flat surface, align the transfer paper to the piece. Place one side on the edge of the cup holder holes and align the rest of the excess in the direction of the rounded edge. Peel the backing from the transfer paper and stick it on. Then squeegee over the area. Peel the backing paper from the vinyl. Slide the straight edge under the armrest until it stops and check alignment. Tack the middle of the cup holders first. This will help with alignment. Then squeegee over the transfer paper until it's all tacked. Carefully remove the transfer paper. Press down on all edges of the cup holders. Then, make your way to the outside edges of the piece. On the front, start from the center with your thumb and roll the vinyl down. Squeegee all edges down. Use the hard side to get under the armrest and in the edges. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. Place the piece on the install area and align around the handle. Once aligned, carefully peel the backing paper from the vinyl and tack it down starting from the middle. Ignore the excess on the edges for now. Look for bubbles and squeegee those out. If you have difficult bubbles or wrinkles, peel the vinyl up to the error and squeegee back down. Apply heat if that doesn't do the trick. Carefully peel the remaining backing paper off. Use your squeegee to slowly tack the piece in place. Lastly, use the hard side of your squeegee to push the edges underneath the back and then the sides. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. Align to get the right orientation. Then peel the backing paper off. Align and tack the left edge. Roll the vinyl over the edge, tacking across to the right side. Ignoring the excess for now, squeegee the entire area, making sure to get all bubbles out. Using the hard side of the squeegee, tuck in the bottom right corner and work your way to the top of that edge. Once you get to the vent area, roll your fingers over the vinyl firmly to tack down. Then tuck in the top edge. Tuck in the bottom edge last. Squeegee over all edges one last time. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. Align to get the right orientation. Then peel the backing paper off. Align the bottom right corner with the top right corner and press down. Squeegee the top right corner underneath the plastic on top of the dash. Squeegee from where you just tacked on the right to the left side, getting all bubbles out. Ignore the excess for now. Then squeegee the excess vinyl on the bottom edge using the hard side of the squeegee. Next, squeegee the left side. Finally, roll the vinyl over the edges of the air vent. Clean area with 70% isopropyl alcohol, making sure to get in the edges. Align to get the right orientation. Then, pull off the first piece of backing paper on the left side. Align the bottom left corner with the top left corner and press down. Squeegee or press firmly from where you just tacked on the left to the right, getting all bubbles out. Don't worry about the edges or the area around the air vent yet. Peel off the second section of backing paper and squeegee or press it down. Peel off the third piece of the backing paper and squeegee or press it down. Peel off the last piece and squeegee down. Push the thin piece on the right down over the edge. You may need to use heat to help work it over the edge. Squeegee the top part of the thin piece underneath the dash. Then tuck in the right edge. Roll the vinyl into the vent area. You may need heat to make it more workable. Squeegee the excess in the bottom and top as you work your way back to the left side. Squeegee the top left corner underneath the dash. Once all edges are tucked in, roll your fingers over the edges of the left vent.